My friend and I loved each other a lot. The last time I saw him, so I wake up, I'm going to work to do a voiceover. So Kiki Bofa, my shoelaces, I'm sitting on the couch, I'm looking at the TV, there's Ramaphosa. And then I see at the corner of Newsroom Africa, at the bottom right, they say, at the age of 40. And Ki one Montluma Africa. Azanka Chwatle Haso, I was like, somebody tell me this is a freaking joke. I drove to the office. The office was not there. That represents Presley and I, Monin Lee and Associates, and we give thanks to Monin. She really took care of us as young boys. And when I got there, the office was not there. I forgot they actually went down to Cape Town for another workshop. I needed to confirm it with somebody. I needed to cry to somebody. Presley, Charlene, am I lying? Presley was my man, dog. So on that Tuesday, and I saw it on the news. It's because on Wednesday, I was with Presley doing a voiceover, and I said, oh, we're doing a voice together? And he's like, no, I'm doing Isuzu. And I'm like, oh, I'm doing Pineapple. And then he goes into studio, and I say, how fades? And then he waits for me. And then he's on the phone, and we're hugging like we are walking together. He's on the phone. We are walking. And he's on the phone, but we're walking, and he's walking for like 40 to 50 minutes. He had a hair when he finished on the phone call. Then we kissed. Like Presley and I enjoyed kissing each other so much. You can laugh. Take it to your family. Presley and I used to kiss so much because that is how genuinely we shared love. We kissed so much. I was like, my friend, your skin is glowing. I'm sure Charlene is happy. Look at your lips. Vaseline, because that is the only thing. And we kissed, bruh, like we kissed more than 7 times. Lemakoa, the white people in the studios were shocked. They're like, what's happening with these 2 black boys? Is how much I loved Tobit. Is how much love Tobita poured into my life. Is how much love we poured into each other. Ma Africa, if we speak about love, can we not pretend and act about it? And we must really be about it. Because if Tobeta had friends, Tobeta's friends, Baba Nwan Lebon, you should have told him, go home, you have children. Go home, you have a wife. Cut the BS, ma Africa, asemaemo, strata asemaemo, and strata asepat.